Namaskaram. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to find the problem area, how to find the point to treat in Sujok therapy. So I'm going to take example of forehead pain. Suppose I'm having pain here in this area. So now I have to locate this pain area, the pain point in my hand to treat it. So because this part, this corresponds to your thumb, and this is your face area, and here this area is around your forehead area. So this corresponds to your forehead area. So I'm going to find the point here somewhere. For this, what I need to do, I need to use a diagnostic probe. We call it Jimmy. So with this, I'm going to give pressure and trying to find the point. So when you give the pressure, don't give too much pressure that you damage the skin or you make it painful. But the pressure shouldn't be that soft that you don't feel anything. Because in order to feel the point, get the point, you need to give some pressure. So Sujok is a bit painful also, but don't give too much pressure to make it damaged. So initially, the how much pressure to give, it comes with experience. It's very easily it will come to you in just in a few sessions. You will know how much to press. So initially, what you can do, you can just start with little bit less pressure. So I'm just giving pressure in this area. My pressure is very gentle. So my pressure was gentle, so I didn't feel anything. So now I can just little bit increase the intensity. I'm feeling something over here. So now I just press nearby, but this area, because of forehead pain, this area I found a point here. It should be very painful. So now when you find the painful point, you pressurize it. Ouch! This should be the reaction of your patient. This should be the reaction, because when you press the point, the disease point, then that becomes very painful. So as soon as you're going to find the point, to touch the point, you will see the reaction. The reaction will be like ouch. So you will know that yes, you are on the right point. You don't even need to ask your client. You don't even need to ask the patient. You can just see the facial expression, the body expressions, and you will know, yes, this is the right point. I have got the right point. So now suppose I got this point here. So I'm going to give the pressure to this point, and initially that is going to be painful. Then again I'm going to get little bit pressure. You can use the back side also for the stimulation, right? Don't press it too much hard, but press it a bit hard to give the stimulation. You can leave it. Then again you can just give some stimulation, right? You can just leave it for a few seconds, and then you can ask for the from your patient, from your client, for the feedback. Suppose now you are pressing, you have given some stimulation, some pressure. Now again you're pressing. If they're finding it same, or if they're finding it bit relaxed. So sometimes just in a few sessions, like just in few times of stimulation, then again you stimulate, again you press it, they will say no, now there is no pain, pain is gone. And as soon as this pain is gone, this pain will be also gone. But suppose now still after the stimulation, after treating this point, the pain is there. What you can do in a seed therapy, then you can just apply a seed here. You can use a buckwheat seed also here. You just apply the seed here, and then you can just use a breathable paper tape. You always use a tape that is having pores, like breathable paper tape you can use, and then can just apply the tape here and leave it. You can even leave it overnight. You can leave it for a few hours, and suppose it should be in the touch with the skin. And suppose you use the seed for the pressure, little pressure also after when you apply the seed, so that also stimulate the point. That can also use as a acupressure. So that's very easy to find the problem point. You just need to know the corresponding for the organ, the corresponding point on the hand. For suppose I'm having pain in my mm, how say in my knee joints. So here I have my lower extremities, my legs. So then I will look for the knees. Then here I can say, okay, I have my knees. Then I will look the right leg, left leg. Then I will just pressure. I will just check the points accordingly. So this is how you have to find the points. Then you have to give pressure. Then you will find out the points. Then you have to treat them. Because this is a Sujok seed therapy class, so I'm going to teach you only the application of the seeds. You can just look for my other classes of the Sujok in which I have explained how to treat with magnets and different things. But in this seed therapy class, I will keep myself restricted to the use of seeds. But in my demo video, sometimes you will see the use of color therapy also, use of other things also. But basically, the focus in this class will be on the application of the seeds.